In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a click to email link button in Squarespace. By the end, you'll have a clean button that opens your visitor's email app with the address, subject, and a helpful message already filled in, so they can contact you in just one tap. First, open the page and section where you want the button and make sure you're in edit mode. Look for the option to add content and click Add Block. This opens the content library where you can choose the type of block you need. We'll use a standard button block because it's simple, accessible, and easy to style across your site. Select button from the block list and place it where you want it to appear. Once it's on the page, double-click the button to open its settings. You'll see a field for the button's label. Change that text to something clear and action-oriented, like email us, contact support, or get in touch. Keep it short and specific so visitors know exactly what will happen when they click. Next, attach the email link. In the same button settings, click Attach link to open the link options. You may see a general URL field first, that's okay. From there, switch the link type to email. This tells Squarespace to create a mail to link, which triggers the visitor's default email app instead of sending them to a web page. Now add the recipient email address, the inbox where you want messages to land. If you have a shared team inbox, use that so multiple people can respond. Avoid personal addresses to keep replies organized. Enter a subject line that helps you triage messages quickly. For example, you might include your brand name and a short topic label, like support request or booking inquiry. Keep it concise so it displays well on mobile devices and is easy to scan. In the body field, write a brief prompt that guides visitors on what to include. A short template works great here, such as a greeting and a couple of cues like name, order number, or preferred time. Keep it friendly and minimal. Long bodies can be overwhelming, and some email apps may not preserve complex formatting. When you're done, close the settings. Your new button now opens a pre-addressed email with the subject and message you set. This works on desktop and mobile, and it respects the visitor's default mail app. If you want to fine-tune later, just reopen the button settings and adjust the label, address, subject, or body. That's all it takes to add a click to email button in Squarespace.